Hey there. So I've tried a couple times to go live today and it's not worked out for me. So I just wanted to hurry up and pop on and talk you through this cute little, I haven't actually put him together yet, so I don't know, but I'm hoping he's gonna sit by himself. But I used corn flour for the shirts. I used golden rule for the little headlight. I used essential gray for the little gray pieces. I used bohemian black, white flour, and then vintage vessel. And then the bunny is essential gray just because I kind of like his little tail to stand out. So I'm going to glue these pieces together. Now, by all means, you could always, if you don't want them freestanding and like this, you could just put a little kickstand on him. That's fine too. I am, however, going to try to put them together. And I might have to I was thinking I might have to use some clippies once we get in pretty much together here. So hopefully you're still with me. Sorry, just tweaking, making sure he's on there right. I thought he was pretty adorable. I hope you like him too. So then you could just do them one way then and just put a kickstand on them. That would be just as cute. But I was hoping I could get him to stand on his own. So you'll notice the bigger fenders go in the back. There's not a huge difference in size, but they are bigger. Just keep checking to make sure I'm live. I tried to do a couple sets earlier and it just wouldn't. I think I'm going to post the one. It's in two different ones, but I really struggled today. Okay. Oh my gosh, he's adorable. So that's what I like using. What's it called? The glitter glue. So he is standing, so super stinking cute. But there he is. So he actually goes with, they'll go together. Let me see if I can bring this up enough so you can see. And so these two go together as little shelf sitters. So this one I have a kickstand on. You could, I will put another piece for the door. So you could actually print out a couple of these and make it stand on its own if you wanted to keep it like this one. But I just I gave you the option. So if you see a door on there, that's why. Otherwise, this is just in there, and then there's score lines in there. So anyways, I think he is adorable. Just trying to fix his back tire there. Okay. Oh. Sorry. Okay. So that is that. For this, I did my standard Ember Glow and then came back with, excuse me, Spicy Hue. Excuse me. This is Turkish Coffee, and I did it kind of light. And then this is Hot Cocoa. This is Garden Spot, and then I came back with Forest Wood and did the shading, and then this is Overt Green, and I came back with the Garden Spot. So there he is. I think he's adorable. I hope you like him. Bye.